If crypto is ever going to replace the dollar, this is how it's going to go down. And no, we're not talking about the dollar imploding under the weight of its own BS. Any challenge is going to be highly targeted at the niche roles that the dollar plays in the global economy. And guess what? It started. And we called this at the end of April. Let's recap. The way the dollar system works is that the US military is a franchise, just like Starbucks, McDonald's, or KFC. Countries pay to fall under the US military umbrella, and the price is that they have to use US dollars for international trade. This means that there is a never-ending source of dollar demand, and because of that, the US has been able to print freely, seemingly without consequence. It's also the reason why US military spending is so high. It's not per se that the US is a global empire, but demand for their military services is so high amongst their franchisees. So next time you see a top spender list, consider that the US is spending on behalf of 85 other countries too. So trading commodities in dollars is a vital component of the dollar system. And we've all heard the conspiracy theories about Saddam trying to pivot away from dollars. Well, the Central African Republic, a staunch long-term ally of both Russia and China, recently legalized Bitcoin as legal tender. And at the time, we hypothesized that as this is an extremely poor commodity-producing nation, the real reason was to start trading its commodities in Bitcoin. Well, the nation just announced that it has chosen natural resource tokenization as the next phase in its digitization initiatives. That includes its vast reserves of gold, oil, iron, diamonds, uranium, and other minerals. The president announced these measures as part of its Sango project, aimed at boosting foreign investment. Companies associated with the crypto industry that create a presence in the country will receive access to tokenized assets. Now, we don't think that the Central African Republic is going to kill the dollar, but if the dollar is ever to be replaced, this is what the first domino will look like.